What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you all want to know how I achieve these medium large island twists, stay tuned. What's up, y'all? Welcome back, or welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm doing a protective style. It's gonna be a playoff of island twists. I've done this style before. I can insert pictures if they come up. They come up. If they don't say nothing about it. I'm going to basically part my hair right now. I've got it in 4 sections. But before I do that, let me show you guys what types of products that I'm using and the hair that I'm using. So cut to the clip. Prepped, deep conditioned, shampooed, you know, the whole 9. I'm gonna take the clips out to make my section. Quick tip, you're gonna use your shine and jam to make your pretty perfect parts, okay? Oh, and another pro tip, if you don't have like one of those mirror hanging things where you can hang it and do your hair at the same time, I had to make shift, so I've got a mirror here and then my mirror in front of me in the bathroom, which is going to help me see tremendously. Sorry if I'm not facing y'all, it's just a little harder to do that and look at the camera, okay? They don't gotta be perfect. They don't gotta be perfect. It's gonna be very beginner friendly. The only thing I can imagine that's not going to be beginner friendly is the way I install the rope twist, because it took me a minute to learn this way. So anyway, now we're going to part down behind the ear. Got a pretty good part behind the ear. I'm going to brush this section here and then do some more shine and jam. Hold on. Let's lightly clip this away. And then lightly clip this away. Okay? Okay. Shine and jam. I just want to make sure that I've got a pretty good baseline part ear to ear. Now, since this section is perfectly parted, I'm gonna brush this up into a 2-strand or just into a bantu, and we're gonna clip it away. There we go. Now we're gonna do the same to the other side. Than anticipated, but we got it. Now that you've got your 2 sections parted off, you're going to take the back and part off your next couple of sections. I'm gonna do mid-ear over. That's parted off. Got your block. I'm gonna split it into 3 sections. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Splitting it off. And then we're gonna take it up. Then take it up. Alright, now I'll take a little bit of shiny jam, my bad, and put it on the section. You're gonna part the hair into 2 sections with this style. You're gonna part the part into 2. And then you're going to take your hair. Now it takes me a minute to figure out kind of the formula for how much hair I want to put in the braid. So, real quick, I'm just gonna split this section into 2. That curly beach wave, that longer hair. And then you're gonna take some of this hair. Now, the reason why you part these in 2, and this is probably the hardest part here, so listen up, put 1/2 of the hair on one section, okay? The split of the section that you have. And then another half of the hair on one more section. It's gonna feel weird, but you're gonna have them kind of split like this, like that. Can y'all see that? Okay, now you're gonna twist up with 1/2 and then basically down with the other. So whichever way you twist up on the first one, you're gonna twist the opposite on the other side. Okay, twist it. Twist it, twist it, twist it, and you're gonna keep on twisting till you work your way all the way down. Now I'm starting to realize could have used a little bit more of the braiding hair. That's fine. That's okay. We'll adjust on the next one. Now I'm taking a little piece of my curly hair and we're adding that in the same way. We're gonna twist it down, okay? Now don't lose that piece, because here in a second you're gonna take it out. Okay? Now I done told y'all not to lose it and I done lost it. Okay, here we go. All right, gonna take it out. I'm gonna hold it with my mouth because it's hold it. And then keep twisting down. Okay, now just because of my own purposes, I'm gonna add in some more braiding hair because I want this to be thicker. Just didn't look thick enough. You're gonna keep going down, okay? It's gonna take a minute, especially because I did long as fuck here. So once you're finished with your section, you're gonna roll it down because the hair is most likely gonna be coiled up on itself. You kind of want to uncoil it, right? One's finished. You got one done. Good job. Next one. You want more of a less sleek root, like I do, something a little bit more, you know, less shiny. You're not gonna go in with shiny jam on the root. You're just gonna do it basically around it. Now, the midsection ain't the best to be demonstrating because I can't, you know what I mean? Like my arms ain't built that way. God give us strength. We gonna do it anyway. We gonna try it because that's what Tabitha say. That's my business. Like I showed y'all on the earlier one. Split your section into 2 sections. You're gonna overlap your hair over the sections just like that. One piece of the hair is gonna go to one section and the other piece of the hair is gonna go to the other section. And then you're gonna twist up, 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 up on one half. In whichever direction you go on one part, you're gonna go the opposite on the other. So I twisted up here. I'm gonna twist down here, okay? All right, we're gonna take this all the way down. All right. And then just like with the previous one, the hair is going to be kind of coily and it's going to be coiled up on itself. So I like to just go through, put pressure on the twist and work my way down. So just to secure these, just to give myself a little bit more security, because I'm not dipping anything, I knot them real low to the bottom so the knot's literally indetectable and your hair ain't coming. Y'all get the gist? Y'all see what I'm doing? So like I said, I'm gonna get to the midpoint of my hair, time lapse, come back, and I'm gonna show you guys the section in the front. Don't hate me. I didn't get to give like a proper outro or properly show you guys how I finished up the braids up in the front. But it's 5 days post too, so let me just give y'all 360 real quick. So this is the front, okay? You work from the side, right? Now this is her from the back. But this is not too bad for 5 days out. Alright, so after you guys kind of saw that last clip of me kind of braiding the front of my hair, or twisting the front of my hair, sorry, excuse me, what I did after I finished that was I went in with my Shine and Jam mousse and I put that throughout my hair, and then basically just laid my hair like I do at night to go to bed with the scarf and then a bonnet. Now, whenever I wake up in the morning, I do oil my scalp and do my edges, and then that's pretty much about it, y'all. The style is very low maintenance. It's really cute. It's a great way to like leave your hair alone for 2 weeks max or minimum, however you can do it, and be happy. But yeah, if y'all like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next. I love doing hair content, but y'all give me something a little bit more out of the box to do, just so I'm not stuck to one specific path. But I love doing these types of videos because I'm actually good at hair and y'all actually like receiving them. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.